Assalamu alaikum students. So let's start another video for MCQs. Tipu Sultan died in 1799. Sindh conquered by British in 1843. East India Company occupied Punjab in 1849. Book Causes of Indian Revolt is written by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1859. Scientific Society was established by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan at Ghazipur in 1864. Later, it was shifted to Aligarh. War of Independence took place on 10th May 1857 from Reeth city. Hindu-Urdu controversy took place in 1867. Hindu-Urdu controversy started from Banaras city. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan presented two-nation theory in 1868. Aligarh Muslim University established in 1875. Greenwich Mean Time established in London in 1884. Congress Party was made by Englishman A. O. Hume on 28 December 1885. British government gave title of Sir to Sir Syed Ahmad Khan in 1888. Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani died on 9 March 1897. Boxing became the legal sport in the world in 1901. Partition of Bengal took place on 16 October 1905. Muslim League established on 30th December 1906 in Dhaka by Nawab Salimullah Khan. The first central office of Muslim League established in Aligarh. Allama Iqbal joined Muslim League in 1906. First session of Muslim League was held in Karachi, December 1907. Sir Aga Khan became president of Muslim League and Sayyid Amir Ali established Muslim League in London in 1908. Indian Council Act and Minto Morley reforms introduced in 1909. Separate election principle accepted in 1909. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar established Comrade English newspaper from Calcutta in 1911 on 14th of January. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad published Urdu newspaper Halal in 1912. Quaid-e-Azam joined Muslim League. Kanpur incident took place. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar published Hamdard newspaper in 1913. Quaid joined Muslim League in 1913. Quaid became Muslim League president in 1916. Lucknow Pact took place in 30th December 1916. Dinarchy system, Khilafat movement, Miskar at the Jallianwala Bagh, Motaga, Chelmsford reforms, Rolwood Act, all these events took place in 1919. Quaid resigned from Congress on 13th April 1920. The first Khilafat conference held in 1921. Chora Chori event took place on 5th of Feb 1922. Liaquat Ali Khan joined Muslim League in 1923. Quaid introduced reforms in KPK in 1927. Delhi proposal issued in 1928. Simon Commission took place in 1928. Nehru report was issued on 15th of August 1928. Quaid-e-Azam presented his 14 points in 1929. Allahabad address took place in 1930. Allama Iqbal became the president of Muslim League in 1930. Civil disobedience by Gandhi took place in 1930. First Roundtable Conference held on 12th November 1930. Second Round Conference held on 7th September 1931. Gandhi-Irvine Pact held in 1931. Kashgar movement took place in 1931. Communal Award presented in 1932. Third Round Table Conference held on 17th of November 1932. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali issued pamphlet Now or Never in 1933. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali named Pakistan in 1933. Pakistan National Movement took place in 1933. Quaid-e-Azam became permanent president of Muslim League in 1934. Government of India Act issue in 1935. Due to earthquake, Quetta was completely destroyed on 31st May 1935. Since separated from Bombay in 1936. Liaquat Ali Khan became Secretary General of Muslim League in 1936. Congress ministries made their government in 1937. Sindh was the first province where Muslim League passed its resolution for the establishment of Pakistan in October 1938. Pirpur Report published in 1938. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was given the title of Quaid-e-Azam in 1938. Maulana Shaukat Ali died on 18th Feb 1938. Fatma Jinnah joined Muslim League in 1939. Congress ministries resigned in 1939. Day of Deliverance was celebrated on 22 December 1939. Pakistan resolution passed on 23rd March 1940 by Maulvi A.K. Fazlul Haq. Pakistan resolution is also called Lahore Resolution. Jinnah Gandhi talks held in 1942. Cripps mission took place on 23rd March 1942. Quit India movement took place on 8 of August 1942. Abdullah Haroon died in 1942. Balochistan Muslim Federation established in 1943. Arab League was established on 22 March 1945. Wavell Plan presented in 1945. Central elections happened in 1945 in the subcontinent. Muslim League won 30 seats in 1945 central elections. Shimla Conference held in 1945. Provincial elections held in 1946 in the subcontinent. Muslims celebrated Victory Day on 11th of January 1946. Delhi Convention took place in 1946. British Cabinet or Cabinet of Mission visited India in 1946. Muslim League celebrated Direct Action Day on 16 August 1946. Third Plan Zone presented in 1947. According to the Indian Independence Bill of 1947, Qaid was appointed as the first Governor General of Pakistan. KPK became part of Pakistan on 14th of August 1947. Shahid Jirga of Balochistan decided to join Pakistan in 1947. Azad Kashmir became independent on 24th of October 1947. Pakistan became 53rd member of UNO on 30th September 1947. Bahawalpur joined Pakistan in October 1947. Pakistan joined UNO on 30th September 1947. Qaid addressed nation about provincialism on 15th June 1948. India stopped river water of Pakistan on 1st April 1948. Azad Kashmir government announced in 1949. Objective resolution was passed on 12th March 1949 by Liaquat Ali Khan. Pakistan became member of ILO in 1949. Pakistan joined World Bank on 9th of July 1950. Colombo Plan presented in 1950. Liaquat Nehru Pact took place in 1951. Pakistan became the non-permanent member of Security Council in 1952. One unit system was enforced on 14th October 1955. Shani Haider was awarded on 16th of March 1957. Gwadar port was brought from Oman in 1958. Agriculture reforms introduced in 1959. Indus Water Treaty between Pakistan and India by World Bank on 19 September 1960 signed in Karachi. Family Law Ordinance introduced in 1961. Pakistan-China Border Treaty took place on 3rd March 1963. Tashkent Treaty between Pakistan and India took place on 10th January 1966. First capital of Pakistan was Karachi till 1959. Islamabad was completely constructed in 1966. Islamabad became capital of Pakistan on 14th of August 1967. Chitral and Swat joined Pakistan in 1969. A new province, Balochistan, established in 1970. One unit system was dissolved on 1st July 1970. First general election held in Pakistan on 7th of December 1970. East Pakistan, which is now called Bangladesh, separated on 16 December 1971. Kanup nuclear power plant in Karachi was built with the assistance of Canada in 1971. President at the time of partition of East Pakistan was Zia Ali Bhutto.